Can I make a keyboard clicky and talky at the same time? So this is a blue switch keyboard and it has ABS plastic all around. The keycaps, the body, the mounting, everything is ABS plastic, which means it's very clicky. But then I had an idea. Could I still make it talky? When the keycap bottoms out, I feel like there's a little sharp sound, and I feel like if that could be turned into a talk, then that would be really cool. So here's the setup. I've already tested something on these keys and I feel like it does work, but I have to test it on my entire keyboard to make sure. So here's what I'm gonna be doing. I have this blue foam. It's actually a kitchen cleaning cloth, but whatever, it's a cheap mod. This foam is quite firm, but it's a good thing since it should be quite good at absorbing sounds and not ruining the typing feel, hopefully. So now I have to remove all the keycaps, and before I can install the foam, first I have to remove the current mod. And this is tissue paper mod, which is kind of bad, but also I kind of invented it, so it's good. Jokes aside, the tissue paper mod actually did give me around a 10% improvement in the sound. But now let's try the kitchen cloth mod. Hopefully it's better than the tissue paper mod. So now I'm gonna cut the foam into thin strips and I'm gonna place these strips where the tissue paper was previously. Now what I'm trying to do here is that instead of the keycap hitting the PCB or the switch when it bottoms out, I wanted to hit the foam instead. So instead of harsh contact between plastic and plastic, I think it would be a much more deeper sound if plastic hits the foam. So that's what I'm hoping for in this mod. Let's see if it actually works. Now let's reinstall the keycaps. And now we have the moment of truth. Here's the sound test. While typing, I did not notice any difference at all. If anything, I noticed that some keys weren't even bottoming out properly, and that's because the foam wasn't stuck to the base of the keyboard and so it was kind of curling upwards. And so basically I was convinced that this mod was a failure, and so I was quite disappointed and I stopped recording. But then after that, I removed all my keycaps and then stuck the foam to the base of the keyboard using glue. I know it's a terrible idea, but I did it anyways. If I won't do it, then who will? And then after that, when I tried typing, the difference was almost night and day. And I know it did not change the sound profile at all, but it's just that the typing feel was much better now. The keyboard was a little closer to a low travel keyboard, which is the sort of keyboard I like for gaming. And other than that, the key feel was also really consistent this time, which is surprising considering the mod I used costed only the kitchen cloth. But typing feel aside, as for the sound, I did not notice any difference at first, but then I opened my recording software and then played the files again. And this is when I realized that the keyboard was actually talking. It's just that the talk is very much masked by the clickiness, but I was successful in what I did. Just listen to the comparison again, it's actually talking. So my keyboard is the enemy of talk. It has plastic everywhere and clicky switches. But if I managed to use just kitchen cleaning cloth to add talk to my keyboard, then this was extremely successful.